If you're experiencing crashing issues while playing Cyberpunk 2077, there are several steps you can take to potentially resolve the problem. Follow this guide to help speed up your gameplay experience. Step 1. Update your game. Make sure that you have the latest version of Cyberpunk 2077 installed. Developers often release patches that fix bugs and improve stability. Check for updates to your gaming platform and install any available patches. Step 2. Verify game files. If you're playing on a platform like Steam or GOG, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them, which can help reduce crashes. Step 3. Adjust graphics settings. Lowering your graphics settings can help improve performance and reduce the likelihood of crashes. Access the graphics settings menu and adjust options such as resolution, texture quality, and shadows to a lower setting. Step 4. Update drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's websites like NVIDIA or AMD to download and install the latest drivers. Updated drivers can improve game performance and stability. Step 5. Check system requirements. Make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Cyberpunk 2077. If your hardware is below the recommended specifications, consider upgrading components or playing on a lower setting to enhance stability. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce the crashing issues in Cyberpunk 2077 and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support forums or the game's customer service for further assistance.